What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? And as you can see right here, we have Luna Decentral. It's not Luna Decentral, it's just Luna Terra. Okay, that's set. We have not updated this in a week. And we can quite literally just see that this actually had these movements above. Now we could argue that this is the right thing and this may actually continue higher, but for me and how I'm looking at this, this is a bigger than just downtrend, okay? All we did, we're just grabbing some liquidity right here, tapping into some supply areas there and continue lower. So definitely, okay, this scenario was not correct. And definitely what am I going to be looking at is maybe something like that or something like that to take out the low. Okay, that is just me. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. Let me know what are your thoughts about Luna Terra. You can see this is not a financial advice right here on the screen. Have a wonderful day and goodbye.